today we are going to work on trying to add Christmas lights to Garland. That could be a little hectic, so I'm going to show you a little easy way. Stay tuned.
As always, let's get this ball rolling and knock it out of the park.
So I thought this would be a great video to do something festive. I'm always doing DIY, so I thought this would be a great project for me to just kind of show you what I do, and if you like it, hey, use it. Now this particular garland is only 12 feet, and I'm going to use it to wrap around my porch. The garland that's lying on the floor, that one's 18 feet long, but it already has the lights in it. However, when I went back to purchase more, when I realized how long my porch was, they didn't have any more of that garland for me to get. So I am using garland that does not have the lights in it, and I'm gonna put my lights in it. But you know, if I were to try and do this without attaching it to these two chairs, it would be a headache. So the first thing you wanna do to get this garland and to get these lights wrapped around this garland, the first thing you want to do is get two chairs, preferably the chairs that have the bars in it like that, so you can wrap your garland around the chair. This chair does have the bars, and I do have my garland wrapped around it. Now, the garland that works best in doing this process is the garland that has the wires in it. So the flimsy garland, it doesn't work quite as well, but you can still get it done. Kind of tie it around, and wrap it around so it can wrap around another piece of the garland. And once you get it in position, which I have it in position here, then the other chair is way down here. Now, we're going to wrap the lights around until we get to the end. So I am going to do it this way. So let's see how it works, okay? Here we go. I have my lights already plugged up because I want to make sure that every light works, and I'm going to get the best wrapping possible. Now I have the other part of my lights in my hand. So I'm just going to wrap and wrap until I get it how I want it to look. I think this is so cool. Oh my goodness. See how easy that was? It was a lot better than trying to wrap it without it being extended on these two chairs. So if you like what I've just done, try it. Yay! It's gonna be beautiful. I'll show you the finished product.
Combining the pre-lit garland and the garland that I added the lights to was a perfect idea. After there was no more pre-lit garland available in the store, this was the best solution, and you can't tell the difference. This is the finished product. Tell me what you think. So this is our festive DIY project. and I really, really like it. It goes well with the decor on the house, trimmed in all of the wonderful lights and garland. Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.